I'm Andrew Schneider, and I'd like to thank you for choosing Systems Environmental Products as your equipment supplier. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to complete the necessary servicing on the HomeTeam Shurflo 8000 series pump. Step 1. Remove pump and pump wiring from sprayer. After removing the 4 bolts fastening the pump, inspect the wiring coming from the pump to the power source, ensuring that you are looking for any signs of wear that may become a problem in the future. Step 2. Disconnect inbound and outbound fly nuts from sprayer. Step 3. Changing the valve assembly. Remove the 6 screws holding the upper housing to the lower housing. Step 4. Remove existing valve assembly. Remove the existing black valve assembly and be sure to discard. Step 5. Installing repair kit. Replace the existing valve assembly with the one provided in the repair kit. The valve assembly comes pre-assembled and will only fit on one way. Be sure the valve assembly is sitting flush. Step 6. Reattach the upper housing to the lower housing. Using a Torx bit and in a crisscross pattern, attach the 6 screws holding the upper housing to the lower housing. Be sure that you have tightened the screws completely, as liquid product could leak from this area. Step 7. Attach pump to sprayer. Reattach the 4 bolts fastening the pump to the sprayer frame. Step 8. Reconnect inbound and outbound fly nuts to sprayer and connect wiring. After connecting the pump fly nuts, connect the black wire coming from the pump to the negative terminal on the bus bar and the red wire to the pump switch.